here when the bride is here in the family. Make it happen. I want to see that. Yes, let our family see the way enjoy the bride. Yes. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Bakoze cyane. Mbwirira uwo musore aze hano.
Michael, stand up and come forward. Shinjagira gitore rwose. Super.
Genda umugwe mu
Yes.
mugwe mu nda.
A serious hug, a wonderful one. Round of applause, and gentlemen. Round of applause, round of applause. Super, 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 super. This is amazing. Oh, yes. I know, Michael, you've got flowers that you want to give to your love. A symbol of the great love you have to her. Yes. This is to you. Once again, round of applause. Look at how it is. Great, amazing, amazing. Metron, Maren, uraza kumufasha Naomi, wegere. Yes, Michael has got a gift also to give to Naomi. On top of the flowers. Yes, this is amazing. Oh, once again, round of applause, and gentlemen. I know Naomi has also prepared a gift for the parents of Michael. We start with the gift of the mom of Michael, please. I would appreciate if the ladies will stand up so that we come forward. Stand up, ladies. All those that have got those gifts, stand up and come. Yes. This is a special gift that Naomi designed for the mom of Michael. To say, thank you, mother, for having brought to this earth an amazing, handsome boy like Michael. Yes. Our round of applause, ladies and gents. Oh, yes, expressing the happiness. This is amazing. This is amazing. So that it takes some nice pictures. These are great time. Mama Michael so happy. He's like, thank you, son, to bring us in Rwanda to see what's going in this. Yes, there's a gift for the father of Michael also. Special gift for the father of Michael. Yes, special gift for the father of Michael. Yes, special gift for the father of Michael, ladies and gents. Amazing, amazing, amazing. The father is so happy. Oh, yes. It's got a meaning to each and everything. Great. It's not enough. It's not enough, Dad. It's not enough. Yes. Ah, yes. So I know, Michael, you prepared gift for the parents of Naomi, right?